What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
Every time I play Fortnite or 2K, it just goes out on me. It's having overheating issues. I came all the way from North Carolina just for you because nobody fixes PlayStations over there.
Don't worry, I got you. Let's test and see.
5 minutes later.
Oy, oy, oy. Bismillah. Surgery time. And he definitely needs new thermal paste. Look at that. It's all dried out. And he needs deep cleaning.
Good morning. Last little piece, I guess. Yep.
Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Thank you, thank you. It looks good, brand new. Do you mind if I test drive before heading back to North Carolina?
Of course.
Thank you, thank you.
Mr. Partridge. Oh my god.
What kind of skin is that? Oh my god.
You should have done reload. You should have done reload. Because you died fast in that. Let's see how it goes. Mr. Perky 17. That's behind my name. Trickery. Do the funniest skin you got. Let's see how it goes. They play that yo. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yo. Start dancing. What's your funniest skin? Do the OG. That one on the bottom. I haven't seen it put up so far.
Oh my god.
Alright, bro, I can't load it. You should have made it tilted, bro.
The most popular.
What about salty springs?
No way. Oh my god. Pump him. Shotgun, there you go.
Watch it take the gun.
Right there, right there, right there. No. That was like that.
Dude's really figuring out his mind. All night. Oh, he's nasty, I'm not gonna lie.
Nasty with it.
Perfect. They help him.
This PS5 back and catch it
Mr. Perfect catches a dog. He's getting a lot.
Would have already shut off on you.
Yeah.
Even from regular gameplay. That's where I'm hopped on like 5 minutes and overeating and then it shuts off.
Usually it will die, right? It will shut off.
Yeah, he said he usually would have overheated by now.
Straight headshots. I'm playing with straight noodles.
Yo,
NPCs.
I aimed, and I get just shot by itself.
Same bot. Okay. It's really gonna go.
Yo, deadass. It's gonna take like 30 minutes. Holy.
Look at that.
Just shot.
Look at it. Unreal.
You got a person landing on you. Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, all good.